Hello friend, how are you? Hope all of you are very fine. Today I have brought a very boom video for you, and this is about how to change the thermostat of iron. But before this, I would like to introduce some different parts of the iron that are that is number one is power cord, which supplies electricity from socket to iron. Number two is plug, as you can see in the picture. Plug connects iron to the main power supply. Number three is heating element, main part that produces heat. It is made of the chrome wire. Number four is very important part, which is also known as the plane of iron. It's a thermostat. It controls the temperature and automatically turns on and off. So number five is temperature control knob. You it sets temperature low, medium, and high. Number four is number six. And number six is indicator light, which shows when iron is heating. Turn off when desired temperature is reached. Number seven is sole plate, which is the bottom metal plate. Its transfer heats to the clothes. And friends, number eight part is internal wiring, which connects all components. So these are the basic components of the iron. Now I will start how to open the iron and tell you about how I will change the thermostat of iron. Ever wonder how a simple iron heats up just right, then stop itself before burning your clothes? Its hidden clever system at work. Today we are pulling back the curtain to reveal the amazing journey electricity takes inside your iron, transforming wrinkled fabrics into the smooth perfection, all while keeping things safe. It all starts when you plug in your iron. When we plug in the iron, current flows through the power cord to the thermostat. If the thermostat is on, current passes to the heating element, which produces heat. This heat is transferred to the sole plate and we can iron the clothes. When the temperature reaches the set level, the thermostat automatically cut off the current. When it cools down, it turns on again. This process continues automatically to maintain the temperature. Okay friend, uh, today now I have bought this new thermostat. Now my iron is not working properly because it burns the clothes, and sometime the thermostat remains on when its knob is off position. So friend, to change this thermostat, first of all we open the back cover of the iron and remove the light. Now remove the wires. There are three terminals. I will explain one by one later on. Now open the screws on the top of the handle so that we can open it and investigate inside the iron. Friend, now I am opening the handle. Now remove the cover and also remove the weight which is inside the iron, so that it press the clothes properly. Friend, you can see that there are three terminals on the back side of the iron. These terminals are the Initial one, the first and third terminal, we connect the electric power, and the first and middle one is for the light, which shows a light signal which shows the iron is on or off. Okay friend, now I'm trying to remove the old thermostat. There are two screws on the top of the thermostat. I have opened the first one, and now I am opening the second screw on the top of the terminal. So let's try to open. Okay friend, as you can see, this is a small adjustment screw inside the thermostat. By rotating this screw, we can control the temperature calibration of the iron. If we turn the screw clockwise, the iron heats more because the thermostat cut off late. If we turn the screw anti-clockwise, the iron heats less because it cuts off early. This screw is used for fine adjustment during repair, not for normal use. Okay friend, now we open the top screw of the thermostat, as you can see. And now we fix the new one. You can see this is a brand new. It's not too much costly. Its price is about 200 to 300 rupees. Again, now we can fix. We are trying to fix this new thermostat and screw up all the screws. There are two screws on the top of this thermostat. Now put back the adjustment screw, temperature adjustment screw. Now the new thermostat is almost fixed. Now we will try to okay friend, it's almost done. Now put back the weight on the iron and screw up all the screws. There are three screws on the top of this metal. Tight all these screws properly. You can see. Okay friend, now put back the cover of the iron, and little adjustment is there. This is the place where we can adjust the temperature controller. Okay, put back the handle and screw up the two screws so that iron become more stable. Now we have put back the handle. Friend, It's very interesting. You can fix the iron at your home. It's very cool. Okay, you can see here that my iron is almost ready. That's fine. And this knob is for to control the temperature of the iron. Okay friend, now we will uh, fix the wire, electric wire. You can say that it's a power cable or power wire. By this we can give power to the iron from the main circuit board. So there are 2 points in this wire. We can fix it on the first and the last position. On the first we will connect it on the first terminal and the last terminal by leaving the middle terminal free. In first terminal and the middle terminal we connect the indicator light, so that when we power on the iron, the light will become on. Now you can see that I am fixing the indicator light and screwing up on the first terminal. Friend, you should be very careful that while fixing that these wire, the 2 terminals should not in touch with each other, because it can be very dangerous for you, and it can damage your iron, and can be dangerous for you as well. So be careful when fixing the these terminal, and make it sure that the plug is not in the socket. If the plug is removed from the socket, so we have put back the cover, and now I will try to check test. Wow, very good. The iron is giving the indicator shows that my iron is working properly. But here is a problem, that when the iron is off, it gives lights. So you can see that the knob is at off position, but it's giving the indicator, and the indicator light is on. That means that we have to adjust the temperature adjustment screw inside the iron. When we rotate it anti-clockwise, it will give cut off the connection and light will turn off. So we will try to adjust it on the first position, so that light become on when the so here I have adjusted the knob according to the numbers, number 1, number 2, number 3, and now you can see that I have adjusted it in the screw adjustment knob. Now my iron is working properly, and it's giving me the good results. Friends, if you like this video, you can share it with your friends, like it, and subscribe my channel, so that my next videos, you can see my next videos without any break. So that's good. Be happy, enjoy your life, and take good care of yourself. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.